Remove your Mister accessory from the box and lay it out to ensure that there are 4 net pole clamp pieces. Unstick all Velcro on the fabric section of the Mister. Stand inside your trampoline. Find the net pole and the corresponding seam in the enclosure where you want to attach the Mister. Toss the hose connection and water pipe out of the enclosure while keeping the fabric section in hand. Feed the toggle at the top of the Mister's fabric through the buckle at the top of your chosen net pole. Ensure that the Vuly logo and water nozzle is facing towards you. Feed the 2 laces on the fabric section of the Mister through the holes in the net that are directly to the left and right of the seam. Remember, if you feed the laces through any holes in the safety enclosure, besides ones that are directly beside the seam, the laces will tear the netting. Stand on an A-frame ladder outside your trampoline and tie the laces that you just fed through the netting. Ensure that the knot is tight enough to prevent the Mister from moving while you bounce. And click the clamps that are along the water pipe to the net pole. Attach the first one as high as possible, and attach the remaining 3 to the joins down the net pole. Attach your hose to the Mister's hose connection. Turn on your hose and turn on the Mister's switch when inside the trampoline and when you want the mist to spray. Congratulations! You have fully assembled your Vuly Mister.